Welcome to Lahari Lectures. In this video, you can watch Computer Science one word question and answers from question 801 to 850. Let's watch. First question, quicksort is generally unstable. Quicksort is in place. Standard implementation. Quicksort mainly uses recursion. The recurrence relation for the best case of quicksort is T of n equal to 2T of n by 2 plus O of n. Quicksort is preferred in practice because it usually has excellent average case performance. Quicksort belongs to comparison-based sorting algorithms. Quicksort requires auxiliary space due to recursive call stack. If each partition divides the array into two equal halves, the recursion depth is log n. Quicksort is generally faster than merge sort for arrays because it has better cache performance and smaller constant factors. Which sorting algorithm uses the partition operation as its key step? Quicksort. Which element is commonly chosen as a pivot? First element, last element, middle element. The partition operation takes approximately O of n. Quicksort is generally preferred for internal sorting of arrays. Which sorting algorithm uses partitioning as its fundamental operation? Quicksort. The partition operation places the pivot as at its correct sorted positions. Which recurrence represents the worst case of quicksort? T of n equal to T of n minus 1 plus O of n. The partition operation requires O of n. The recursion depth in the best case is log n. The recursion depth in the worst case is n. Quicksort requires auxiliary space mainly due to recursive function calls. Which sorting algorithm uses partitioning instead of merging? Quicksort. A randomized pivot selection is mainly used to avoid the worst case behavior on certain input orders. Selection sort is based on selecting the minimum or maximum element repeatedly. The worst case time complexity of selection sort is O of n square. The average case time complexity of selection sort is O of n square. The best case time complexity of selection sort is O of n square. Selection sort is unstable. Selection sort is in place. After the first pass of selection sort ascending order, smallest element reaches the first position. Selection sort repeatedly selects the smallest element from the unsorted portion. Selection sort belongs to comparison-based sorting algorithms. The extra space required by selection sort is O of 1. The number of passes required to sort n elements is n minus 1. The maximum number of comparisons in selection sort is n into n minus 1 by 2. The maximum number of swaps performed by selection sort is O of n. Selection sort performs the same number of comparisons even if the array is already sorted, reverse sorted, randomly ordered. Selection sort is mainly suitable for small data sets. Which sorting algorithm performs the minimum number of swaps among bubble sort? Insertion sort and selection sort. Selection sort. Selection sort repeatedly divides the array into sorted and unsorted portions. Which sorting algorithm repeatedly selects the minimum element from the unsorted portion and places it at the beginning? Selection sort. Selection sort is also known as minimum number of swaps. The maximum number of swaps in selection sort is n minus 1. Selection sort performs the same number of comparisons for all input orders. Which algorithm generally performs fewer swaps than bubble sort? Selection sort. Selection sort is preferred when swap operations are expensive. A database is a collection of logically related data. DBMS stands for Database Management System. The primary purpose of a DBMS is to store, organize and manage data efficiently. Which language is commonly used to interact with relational databases? SQL. A collection of related records is called a file or table in a database context. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.